Sziasztok! Én PL vagyok, és meg fogjuk csinálni a Bírd ki nevetés nélkül challenge.
John Cena! Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god.
Nyomj!
Hey, you forgot something. He's nuts.
Erre.
Grab somebody sexy, tell them. I blow your face off. I mean, then I take off. Nigga, nice.
Wait a minute!
Fill my cup, put some nigga in.
Nice! Jaj, ezt tudom!
Drop it.
Lassan menni!
Just do it.
Ez nem volt nevetés.
You could get into the future. There's another.
And like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body.
Watch me whip. Now watch me.
Na jó, ez az volt.
I'm getting ready to do something too. I'm running.
Through the six with my walls. And you know how that shit go.
Nem.
Fun and show me how you move.
I always spank my dough. Who's your daddy? Now we're gonna cover, let it.
V go off? Hey. Hey, open them on. He go off?
Give me your attention, baby. Be alive. I can feel my face when I.
Just so much smarter than them. Maybe I just needed you.
Egy. Lol. Ez jó volt. Hallom.
You make it look like it's magic.
Azt hiszem.
If you love me go.
Nagy énekes vagyok. Hát,
Can I get a waffle? Can I please get a waffle? Bitch!
Baby, can't you see?
tényleg tudom meg. Á, jó.
Woo! Let's go! Push it! Get ready.
Push it.
We're a
Happy.
team. We're a dynamic duo. She's my side chick. Side chick!
Good. Oh.
Way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Szép oda.
I'm gonna call 911. What's your password?
Oh, bitch, use your phone.
You don't know you're beautiful. Uh-oh. That's what makes you bonito.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. He's right here. He's fine. Look.
Oh, thank God. You good? I'm good, man. What's up with that $5 yours? Oh, man, that was 10 years ago. 10 years ago, my ass. Man, get your ass on my money. Hey, you a bitch, Frank?
Leütöttek mind a büdös szar.
Nothing. Give up.
I like to see bones now.
Nincs. Na. Nem mondj már, hogy meg akar. Így.
I'm cool. We're good.
Ja.
Hey, yo, what's up, girl?
Hát azt tényleg leütötték ezt a... Hoppá. Happy.
Ricky, you look like an eggplant. Nah, bitch! I look like a sexy ass grape dipped in chocolate.
Sometimes I just don't care. Attention, Target shoppers. Sometimes I just don't care.
When my dad sees this report card,
Cara,
he's
eu
gonna
vou...
flip.
Ah,
I'm so sorry.
You did this to me!
Deliver this to my bay.
Young man, pull up your pants.
Pulling my grade. Surprise, motherfucker.
Dad? Dad, just come home! Stop taking pictures!
Bitch, I hope the fuck you do! You'll be a dead son of a bitch, I tell you that!
Welcome to physics.
Holy mother!
Vlogolt mindig.
Can we change it?
Állítom, tudom. Jól
Damn,
van.
my eye itches.
Így.
Whoa! This is the most beautiful day! They got helmets on their hands! But I gotta want them alone instead!
He's back
You're
out
not
there.
gonna stop there!
Már nem
Go
megkezdte
away.
úgy.
No!
Állítom. Lehet, hogy már nem veszi. De még veszi, jó van. Oké. Így
What are you
van.
waiting for?
I'm calling the cops.
Do it!
Make up for men.
Do
Get
it.
rid of your shot!
You got a powder in your face.
Hit me, bro!
I love you. And I love you for who you are inside.
Yes!
Please. Stand here. I'm bringing up. Can't even hold an elevator for me.
Egy. Kár. Átad.
Oh, jeez.
Sometimes I just don't care!
Dude, check out my mixtape.
What's it about?
Violence, drugs, fairies.
Oh my gosh.
Daddy, I found the one.
Is that the one you want?
No, Daddy. That's the one I wanna be!
Turn me into a fucking horse!
Oh my god, we should hang out sometime.
Yeah, totally. I'm down for that.
I don't think my boyfriend would like that.
Bitch, you were the one who said I want him alone!
You are.
Open that shit wide. Let me see how big your mouth is.
Call me King Kong. White people be like, Billy, where are you, Billy? Is that you? Black people be like, forget Billy, Billy's dead.
Hey, bud, rise and shine. What a nice day. I trusted you.
Are you okay, man?
Jaj, ez nagyon tudják egy rugásnak. Kettő.
Click, 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 click.
Stop it! Only you mother...
Amit látom itt a srácok. Köszönöm szépen, hogy megnéztétek. Én PA voltam. Sziasztok!